everyone, I am Saurabh Pawar. I am a civil engineer and I am pursuing my law 3 years course right now. Being a civil engineer, I always have to go through contract drafting, so I had to earn an expertise over it. So, um, uh, so online I found LawSikho, and I wanted to I found whatever I want. They had the exact course, so I enrolled in that course. And since I am a civil engineer, uh, my further career will be in real estate, of course, and real estate and law together. The real estate law, that would be great for me. So I want to build my career in the real estate legal firm. Motivation behind going for this course is, see, because law is all about common sense, but saying that is very easy, but putting that on paper is not a layman's job. You need some training behind it. And the LawSikho course, I went through their study pattern, their assignment pattern, and I just found it perfect. And it was not just covering just one aspect; it was multiple aspects. Like, even if you choose one course, it's designed in such a way that it can even help you, even if you are not in that course. Maybe not by a huge margin, but by a small margin, it will also help you in that. So drafting is not something that you can just go on it. It has to be perfect and to the point. That's why I thought this might be the perfect course for me. Basically, drafting a contract, as I said earlier, drafting a contract is not that easy as it appears to be. I have been going through multiple contracts since the past 2 3 years, contracts, agreements, etc., etc. And I went through multiple formats, and I didn't find any consistency in those formats. In fact, the formats and the way of drafting matters from city to city. So I thought there must be a technique to be followed for some consistency. This course, the first thing I learned is the format. So there's a professionalism which you need to follow to survive in the real world, And through LawSikho, I got to know what should be the correct format which is to be followed. And the difference in my skills were like, there were multiple points in my mind. There are always multiple points in my mind while drafting a contract or making an agreement with another party. But putting those down on paper was not always possible, and there is a way which is to be followed, and it should be sequentially. Because when I used to go through other formats, they used to be all the clauses used to be put up randomly. So this course brought about the proper formatting, the sequential manner, and this course also had an exercise on article writing. So due to this, I even learned about how to properly structure your article, and an article should be in such a way that even a layman should understand it, and even an expert should appreciate it. My course was having a duration of 2 months, and I thoroughly enjoyed those 2 months. In those 2 months, there were about 10 exercises. And the good thing about courses, there are virtual classes as well, and they are thoroughly detailed. It's not like they just want to take it, so they just take it. It's not like that. They are fully dedicated to the course, just like the students. Um, and what I found very different is they've all the faculty members are very much attentive towards their students. Like, even the virtual classes are very interactive. It's not like just the faculty is talking and everybody is listening. It's very interactive. And when it comes to doubts, the faculty members were more than enthusiastic. And no matter what hour it is, in the course they have mentioned that in the weekends the faculty members may not be available, but they help you in the weekend as well, as and when they get time. And overall, it was a very good experience. And from day one to the last day, they give the exact same attention to everyone, and it's equal in all regards.